Guys, for today's video, we're gonna play MM2 with Vian and De La Cruz. Bro, stop! Why are you?
Tara na nga.
Fine, let's go.
Tagalog tayo for today.
MM2 to, guys.
Tagalog para sa mga Pilipino.
Ala, bro, ano sinasabi mo? Call of Duty lalaki. Call of
Duty. Oh!
So guys, kung di nyo alam to, papakita ko lang sa
Sayang
inyo.
yung exploiter kanina kasi nagbag yung cellphone.
Shift lock muna kayo, tapos pupunta kayo dito sa likod,
dyan,
tapos
dyan.
yan. At yung secret, pinapakita ko lang to guys kung di nyo alam.
Dito kami.
Tapos tingnan nyo, basahin nyo.
Basahin nyo. Ano ba yun?
Wala, ano po, tingnan nyo po. Nag-glitch, tapos nagbato siya ng knife. So, siya yung gumawa ng murder roll siguro.
Tingin ko. Siguro. Tapos si Nicholas, ang nga pala ang
Tapos si Zylik, parat, sila ni Zylik. Nag-collab sila ni Zylik.
Pati, sumali kayo sa mga live stream namin. Baka, baka
Oh my god guys, ito na guys. Si Kuya Bian innocent, ako din innocent.
Gawin natin yung bag.
So yes.
Ito
So
yung
guys,
bag na sinasabi ko sa inyo.
madaming gumagawa nito guys.
Ito, diba? Nakaganyan dapat yung character mo. Nakatingin ka sideways, tas shift lock.
Shift lock and then you're gonna get inside.
Oh my god.
Okay, my bug is like, this is my hiding spot. Like, first you go to the behind the sofa.
There we go.
And then sit.
Shan,
Wala.
look at me.
I can see, bro, I can see your head. Why can't you sit?
Dito tayo para instant win.
Alright. No,
Pati,
I'm gonna hide there because people are very dumb.
sa 50 subscriber, magla-live stream kami. Baka giveaway yun. Oh, kaya.
Oh no, don't look guys, don't look at Bro, you revealed my hiding spot. I hate you, bro. This bacon is the worst.
Sit ka. Baka ihak ako.
Okay guys, so I don't have any perks on, so if I murder, I don't have any perks. But guys, it's the rare egg. Oh my god, I think the bacon is the murder, I think.
I think no, it's not.
Oh, the blue-haired one is the sheriff, so I gotta stay close to him.
Huwag mong galaw yung ulo. Oh my god.
I just collected coins.
Dito na lang tayo sa may ano.
Okay, fine. But I'm gonna go here because people can see you right there.
Shan, pwedeng i-blurred mo na lang yung video.
Wait, the Call of Duty is the murder. So guys, I think the murder is the Call of Duty one. Call of Duty is the murder. The
Bakit
one
mo kasi inopen yung ganito? Oh my god, nakita tuloy ko ngayon po.
Oh no. Guys, don't mind his username. But you can add him because he's lonely. He does not have any friends.
Or follow me. But
Yeah.
just don't add me.
Yep.
I just don't trust anyone because
Yeah.
I got hacked one time.
Yeah, and this is mine. You can also add me and follow.
Or follow, yeah.
Yeah. But you can also sometimes not add me because he's the murderer.
Yeah, he's the murderer.
It's the black sea. I was wrong. I thought it was the Call of Duty one because he was acting sus. Oh, there's the murderer.
Hindi ka nakikita. There's invincible.
Bro, I'm really a good hider. Like, I'm behind the couch. That's the best thing. See, I knew it. He was the murderer.
Sino?
Him. Bro, why won't you shoot him? You have bad aim, bro.
Don't be toxic.
Who's
Baka
going
maging
on
tayo sa
rampage? Okay, I'm sorry, guys.
YouTube. I feel bad. You can just follow me. Yeah. But don't add me because
Bro, he didn't see me. Bro.
I usually don't trust anyone that I don't.
I'm gonna sit on his corpse. He doesn't live.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So now,
I'm close to eating right now.
Yep. I'm also hungry. So now let's try
Pag tinawag na
the
kasi,
second round.
bro, sino nagbukas ng pinto? Sarado nyo, oh my god.
Oh my god, wait guys, I'm on you. So guys, I just unmuted because
Pumapasok sa tenga.
may pumapasok sa tenga namin. Alam niyo yung insekto na pumapasok sa tenga?
Na, oh, why did you say that?
Oh no.
Oh no. We're sorry about that. We're not talking to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, ano ba yan, ate?
Alam mo yan?
So now we're gonna do... I got innocent and Kuya Ben has innocence. But I'm gonna go to this spot where everybody is. Look, can you see me, Kuya Ben?
Na, I do.
I'm gonna go here. Oh! You almost shot. Who's the sheriff? He almost shot at me.
That guy, the golden one. The golden one.
Bro, stop!
Bro,
I swear, if you shoot that.
Oh, it's just a big ice cream, I guess.
Yep.
I think,
I heard someone died. Oh my gosh.
who is the murderer?
Bro, he's the again. He's cheating. Bro, are you the murderer?
He's just innocent. Teka.
No, bro. Oh, wait, it's the bacon. Bacon murd.
Bacon.
He's camping the gun, bro. He's camping.
Kung gusto niyo makipaglaro sa akin, session na lang huwag niyo kailan.
Yep.
Ayoko masyadong madaming kaibigan dito sa Roblox. Kasi
He's camping, bro. I hate campers.
yung mga...
He's camping the gun.
Oh, that is... Yeah, watch this.
Bro, are you gonna...
Oh!
Shut up.
No,
D tripping.
no, tripping.
Wait, distract him. I'm gonna get the gun.
Distract him.
Yes, I got the gun. Bro!
Bro. Literally, bro.
That was it. But guys, we'll see you in part 2. And guys, we're sorry for not posting for a while cause we've been really busy with school. Bro! But guys, see you in the next video and I take care. So if you want to give us Robux, it's just backward the video and look at our usernames. But Kevin does not have any Game Pass, so you can just donate to me and I'll just donate.
I'm just poor, dude. I'm just poor.
Yes, so we'll see you next video.
Kung magla-livestream kami, baka mag-giveaway kami. Kaya sumali kayo.
Bye!